When it comes to simple bookkeeping, Wave and SlickPie are two names that pop up frequently in the search for affordable and user-friendly solutions. But which one is better for simple bookkeeping? In this video, I'll break down the pros and cons of both and help you decide which software is right for you. Stick around because by the end of this video, I'll reveal a better alternative that might just be the perfect fit. Let's start with Wave. Wave is a well-known, cloud-based accounting software that's popular for its free pricing tier. For basic bookkeeping, Wave offers features like invoicing, expense tracking, and basic reports. It's a great option for freelancers and small businesses looking for a simple solution. The interface is clean and straightforward, so if you're a beginner, you won't be overwhelmed. Next thing, Wave does have some solid integrations with PayPal, Etsy, and Stripe. These are key for anyone who does online transactions. Plus, they also provide a mobile app, which means you can manage your finances on the go. But here's the catch: Wave's free version doesn't include some key features, like payroll, which is only available in the paid plans. Now let's talk about SlickPie. SlickPie is another cloud-based solution, but with a focus on small business owners and freelancers looking for simplicity. It's also free, and its features include invoicing, expense tracking, and tax reporting. One standout feature is its automatic data entry from receipts, which can save a lot of time. It has a feature called MagicBot that automatically imports your receipts and matches them with expenses. That's a nice touch for reducing manual entry. Next thing, SlickPie also integrates with PayPal and allows you to send invoices and accept payments. However, its reporting options are more limited than what Wave offers. And SlickPie's interface? It's not as polished as Wave's. While functional, the design feels a bit outdated, and it can take some getting used to, especially for those who prefer a modern layout. The fourth thing to consider is customer support. Wave support options are fairly basic. They offer email support and have a knowledge base, but there's no live chat or phone support. On the other hand, SlickPie offers email and live chat support, which is a nice bonus, but again, their response times can be hit or miss. Finally, when it comes to scalability, Wave takes the lead. Since it's backed by a full suite of features, you can upgrade to advanced options as your business grows. SlickPie, while a great option for very small businesses, doesn't offer as many features for scaling, and the free version lacks some of the advanced reports that growing businesses need. After testing both Wave and SlickPie, I can confidently say that both are solid choices for simple bookkeeping, but they do have their limitations. Wave stands out with its clean design and more robust features, but if you're looking for a better alternative for your simple bookkeeping needs, I highly recommend trying the software I've linked in the description below. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, if you're looking for a tool that'll meet your needs and grow with your business, check out the link in the description. You won't regret it.